So today we're going to talk about the Team Losi Performance Monster Truck Conversion Kit 0910. The Monster Truck Conversion Kit was intended to convert the JRX 2 series of buggies and the JRXT to the newer LXT stadium truck, which back in the day they called monster truck. So we're going to take a look inside the box and see what's in here to convert your older JRX2 to a LXT racing stadium truck. So we'll open it up. It comes with the LXT body, which is all in here. See it right here. Came with that body. Comes with the slimline chassis plate, which is a composite molded chassis plate. Early plate does not have the cutout for the LRM or the retrofit transmission, accepts LRM, and also the cutout for the servo saver is not there as well. In the later versions, this was recessed. Both of these were recessed. Pictures of what she looked like. So we'll move on. Kind of added some extra packing in here to kind of help protect it. So it came with the LXT wheels. You can see here. That wheel set. Also came with the suspension bag, bag D, longer control arms, slider shafts, the newer style rod ends that they used in the LXT. Also comes with the newer shock set that was also included with the LXTs. You can see here in the pictures, came with the red racing springs. Kind of go through here. Comes with a lot of parts, almost an LXT. This is what, by the time you put this thing together, it was almost a complete LXT. Comes with front suspension arms, front shock tower, and then the rest of the slider shafts. Transmission. Got the battery pad, rod ends, steering post to raise the steering post up. The original JRX2 had shorter post. Comes with the battery brace, decal sheet, Team Losi Performance decal sheet, and then the manual, which has all been, comes with the LXT manual. So you guys can see it. Another decal sheet. Two in this one. Parts list, performance parts list manual. So, just kind of give you an overview of what it came with. That's how I received this kit. I've had it for about 20 years, somewhere in that neighborhood. I actually used one of these kits when I was a kid and converted my JRX2 into an LXT. So that's how my LXT became what it was originally. So it worked out really well. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe, like what we're doing. I hope to see you in the next Throwback Thursday. Thanks for tuning in.